How much should you actually spend on a smart thermostat? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. Honestly, what caught my attention was its Energy Star certification and the promise that it can save you up to 23% on heating and cooling costs. If you want a smart thermostat that takes control of your energy bills and works with all major smart home systems, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto away mode ensures that you're not wasting energy when you're not home. It adjusts based on your set schedule, so if you're out running errands, you won't be heating or cooling an empty house. Plus, you can easily control it from your phone thanks to the ecobee app. With over 6,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people are finding value here. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky, especially if you don't have a C-wire. Here's the thing though, for most homes, the ecobee Power Extender Kit solves that issue. So if you're tech savvy or willing to get a little help, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to cut down on energy costs without sacrificing comfort. Skip this one if you want something that works right out of the box without any additional kits. Now, if the installation concern on the Essential bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Product number 2, Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. What grabbed my attention here is the fact that it's super user-friendly and comes in at a budget-friendly price of about $89.94. If you're looking for an easy DIY setup without sacrificing features, this is definitely worth a look. Here's the thing. The Sensi can help you save about 23% on your HVAC energy costs, thanks to its flexible scheduling and remote access capabilities. You can adjust the settings straight from your smartphone, so even if you forgot to turn down the heat before leaving the house, no worries. Plus, it has a filter indicator that reminds you when it's time to change your air filter, which is something many people overlook. And with over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear buyers appreciate its practicality. Now, some users mentioned that it lacks some advanced features compared to pricier models. Here's my perspective. If you're not a tech enthusiast, or you just want something simple and effective, this thermostat will still meet your needs without all the bells and whistles. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer who wants a straightforward setup and solid performance. Skip this one if you need advanced features like smart sensors for room monitoring. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to fine-tune their home environment, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced.
Product number 3, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Let's talk about the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. This model caught my eye because it promises to save you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. Priced at around $199.99, it feels like a worthwhile investment if you truly care about efficiency. If you want a thermostat that adjusts as you come and go while maximizing comfort, you should definitely check this out. The built-in radar occupancy feature is a game changer. It preheats or pre-cools your home so that it's always just right when you walk in. Plus, it learns your temperature preferences and schedule, making it easier for you to kick back and relax without worrying about adjusting anything manually. And with a compatibility rate of 90% across systems, it's a safe bet for most homes out there. However, some users pointed out that it might be a bit pricey compared to other options. But here's my take. If you're looking for long-term energy savings and a comfortable living space, this thermostat pays for itself over time. This is perfect for you if you want a smart thermostat that learns your habits and adapts accordingly. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, basic model without advanced features. Now, if the learning features seemed appealing, the next one might take it up a notch with added functionality, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium.
Product number 4, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Let's move on to the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The standout feature here is the integrated air quality monitor, which is something you don't see in most models. This thermostat comes with a hefty price tag, but if you want to keep your home's air quality in check while saving on energy bills, it's worth considering. It can save you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs, just like the enhanced model, but it adds value with its smart sensor. This sensor can detect which rooms are in use and adjust the temperature accordingly. Not to mention, it alerts you to poor air quality and reminds you when to change your furnace's air filter. With premium materials and a sleek design, it's not just effective, it looks good too. Now, some people have mentioned the installation can be more complex than other models,
But honestly, if you're looking for a high-tech solution that offers both comfort and health benefits, I think it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a thermostat that combines smart technology with air quality monitoring. Skip this one if you're not ready for a more advanced setup. Finally, let's wrap up with a classic contender, the Honeywell Home RTH9585F1004.
Product number 5, Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004. We have the Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004. What caught my attention here is its customizable color touchscreen and the fact that it's super user-friendly. Priced at around $149.99, it strikes a balance between features and affordability. If you want a thermostat that you can personalize to fit your home decor, this is definitely worth checking out. The Honeywell thermostat offers flexible programming options and is compatible with a range of heating and cooling systems. You can even save energy and get rewarded through local utility programs for allowing them to adjust your settings during peak demand times. Plus, its smart response technology means it learns how long it takes to heat or cool your home, optimizing your comfort. However, a few users mention that it doesn't work well with electric baseboard heat. Here's the thing. If you have a standard HVAC system, this thermostat is a solid choice. But if you have specialized heating, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional thermostat for a standard HVAC system. Skip this one if you have electric baseboard heat, as it may not suit your needs. In summary, between the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, and Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004, you've got some solid options depending on whether you want simplicity, advanced features, or style.
To wrap it up, if you want a straightforward and cost-effective solution, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential or the Sensi are great picks. If you're looking for more advanced features, the ecobee Enhanced and Premium models shine with their learning capabilities and air quality monitoring. And if style is your priority, you can't go wrong with the Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004. Choose the one that fits your needs best.